Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best budget mirrorless camera in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Panasonic LUMX G100 Mirrorless Camera. Lightweight, for photo and video. Built-in microphone. Micro 4/3 with 12-32mm lens, 5-axis hybrid eyes. 4K 24/30p video. DCGU100BK. Black. A real camera for real life. Trust your memories to a camera, not a phone. The exceptional performance and portability of the LUMX G100 lets you capture fleeting moments in crystal clear 4K photo and video. Easily transfer, edit and share. Intuitive, lightweight camera integrates seamlessly with smartphones to share photos easily with family and on Instagram and other platforms. Use as a webcam. Easily connect the G100 to your computer so that your web calls, live streams, interviews, and media all look crisp, bright, and professional. Number 4. Sony Alpha, a 6000 mirrorless digital camera, 24.3 MP ASLR camera with 3.0-inch LCD. Black, with /1650mm power zoom lens. Advanced 24.2 MP back illuminated 35mm full-frame image sensor. ISO 125600, expandable to 51200. Lens compatibility, Sony E-mount lenses. Hybrid AF with 179-point focal plane phase detection and 25 contrast detect points. Up to 11 FPS continuous shooting. Battery life, still images, up to 360 shots. Metering type, 1200 zone evaluative metering. 3-inch tilting LCD with 921,000 dots. Viewfinder type, 0.39 in type electronic viewfinder, color, in the box. Rechargeable battery NPFW50, shoulder strap, eyepiece cup, micro USB cable. Anti-dust system. Charge protection coating on optical filter and ultrasonic vibration mechanism. Number 3. Canon EOS M50 Mark II Plus EFM 1545mm is STM Kit Black. The EOS M50 Mark II carries and builds on the strong performance of the popular EOS M50 with improvements that will be especially notable for content creators like vloggers and more. You still get the impressive image quality of the 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, power of the DIGIC 8 image processor, 4K UHD 24, and HD 120p for slow-motion video and more, along with some additional boosts. The autofocus locks onto the subject faster, and eye detection is improved so it recognizes the eyes and face further away. Eye detection can now even be used during video with Movie Servo AF, and you can use both eye and face detection during Servo AF. What you get is added versatility and stability to keep the subjects in focus and as the center of attention. For content creators, you can use the EOS M50 Mark II to live stream your content with built-in Wi-Fi and use with EOS webcam utility software for an easy webcam alternative. Number 2. OLYMPUS System OLYMPUS EM10 Mark IV Silver Micro 4/3 System Camera Zwico Digital ED 1442mm f3.5 to 5.6 EZ Kit 20 MP sensor 5-axis image stabilization 4K video Wi-Fi. We love the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. Its predecessor, the Mark II, was and is a perennial favorite around the DC office, and we're full of admiration for how sensibly Olympus went about updating this beloved camera. The addition of the 20.3 MP sensor from the Pen F was a great shout, and we were immensely glad to see improved continuous autofocus, further expanding Mark IV's burst shooting capabilities. After all, it's not much good being able to shoot at 15 fps if you can't focus worth a damn. The extra tiltable screen impresses too, and the fact that it flips down 180 degrees makes the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV a tempting proposition for YouTubers and vloggers. Number 1. Canon EOS RP Full-Frame Mirrorless Vlogging Portable Digital Camera with 26.2 MP full-frame CMOS sensor, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 4K video recording, and 3.0 Vari-Angle Touch LCD screen, body black. Stepping up to a full-frame camera has never been easier with the mirrorless EOS RP, the lightest and most compact full-frame Canon EOS digital camera to date. It includes a 26.2 MP CMOS sensor, fast and accurate autofocus, 4K video, and our powerful DJI-C8 processor for exceptional results, even in low light. Combined with compatibility with RFF, as well as EF/EFS lenses, helpful guides, special scene modes, a vari-angle touchscreen LCD, and an electronic viewfinder, the EOS RP helps you capture your world with the quality, control, and ease you crave. As of February 13, 2019. Optional mount adapter FEOS R is required when using EF/EFS lenses with an EOS R camera.